Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya from the Auto Shop here in beautiful Plano, Texas. I hope you don't mind that COVID-19 Don Corleone look. Since all the beauty shops have been closed, we can't get my hair cut. Nonetheless, here's a blast from the past. One of our great clients, Lee, brought in his original 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Berlinetta. This is such a cool car. It's got 50,000 miles on it, and his daughter was the only driver. We have been working on a few things. If you notice, you actually have to be old school to work on these old cars. We even have our old book. Check this out. Our book is so old that even the pages are turning yellow. Golly, they don't have the diagrams on the computers that we need to take care of these cars. Again, another reason it helps to be old school. So underneath, you can see this car is really, really just beautiful. And it's all factory underneath here. This car has just been, I'm going to call it babied. And this is one of the fun kind of cars that we get to take care of here at the auto shop. We'll do another video on the car next to it. We got several more down the line that we'll be talking about later on as we go. But you know, some of the joys that we actually have here at the auto shop is working on beautiful classic cars just like this one and that one and the others that we have down the line. And if you want to see some fun cars, come see us at the auto shop. We are at Jupiter and Plano Parkway. We're here in beautiful Plano, Texas. Our telephone number is 972-578-0588. You can always check us out or make an appointment online at www.theautoshop.com. And please click our little like button wherever it is on this video, and see you next time.